Hey, what's going on guys? It's Ila Bailey here. I record and stuff on YouTube. Check description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called carpooling. You're driving a vehicle that has capacity empty seats initially available for passengers. The vehicle only drives east. It cannot turn around and drive west. Given a list of trips, the value at the position of I in this trip is equal to the number of passengers, start location, end location. Contains information about the I trip, the number of passengers that must be picked up, and the locations to pick them up and drop them off. The locations are given as the number of kilometers due east from your vehicle's initial location. Return true if and only if it is possible to pick up and drop off all passengers for all the given trips. Well, let's look at those examples real quick. Here we got trips, 2 passengers, 3 passengers, start location, end location, end location. Capacity is 4. It is impossible to pick up and drop off all passengers for these trips. Therefore, return false. Here it is possible. The length of this studio array trips is less than or equal to 1000. We have 3 columns. Every trip has 3 columns. Well, there can be up to 100 passengers. You can see I0 means right here 3, 3, 2, 2. Start locations are less than end locations, and end locations are less than or equal to 1000. Capacity is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to 100,000. Well, we can solve this problem using tree map. Tree map is a red black tree based navigable map implementation. It is sorted according to the natural order of its keys or by a comparator depending on which constructor is used. Red black tree, highly balanced binary search trees ensure big O, log n insertions, deletions, retrievals. The point is every node is either red or black. The root is black. The leaves, which are null nodes, are considered black. Red node must have 2 black children. It cannot have red children. Black node can have black children. The path from each node to its leaves must have the same number of black children. Well, go for it. First, create tree map, integer map. We have a value associated to particular key right here, key and value. New tree map, integer. Next, we're gonna loop through those trips. T trips. At each iteration, we save all locations, start and end locations, with the number of passengers. Next, sort the number of passengers based on the key of a particular location. Map dot put t one the key, then map dot get or the default t1 0 plus t0 map put t2 map dot get or the default t2 0 plus t0. We call get or default method in order to get the number of passengers from the previous trip, in the case when there was the trip, the start location, you know. Otherwise, just return 0, you know, the number of passengers from the previous trip plus the number of passengers from the current trip. Start location and end location. Right here we use minus instead of plus, because here we're gonna, you know, start location, we're gonna pick up the passengers, and here we're gonna drop off the passengers. That's why we say minus and plus. Next, create another for loop, and we're gonna loop through those passengers. P means the number of passengers, map dot values, and as you may have noticed, we got capacity, say capacity minus the number of passengers, and in the case when we exceed the capacity, car exceeds, vehicle, whatever, exceeds the number of passengers, the number of empty seats, we return false. Capacity is less than 0, return false. Otherwise, return true. The time complexity for this solution is big of n log n. The space complexity is big of n linear. Let's run this code. Accepted, good. Let's submit. There we go, success. Well, let's look at this example real quick. We got trips. Let's copy that. Capacity is 5. Map right here is empty, right? I got no keys. Here we start looping, right? We say the first trip right here, where this trip, right? the first one. We put start location as a key 1 here, this map. Okay, 1. Next, we call this meta in order to get the number of passengers from the previous trip. We ain't got no passengers, therefore return 0. You know, passengers associated to this, you know, to this key, like 1, right? 1. 0 plus t at the position of 0, you know, the value at the position of 0. We got 2, therefore put 2 right here. Well, next put the value at the position of 2 in the first strip. 5, we got 5 right here. 5. You know, do the same. I ain't got no key. 5, therefore return 0 minus the value of the position of 0, the first strip. 2 minus 2. Go here, the next strip, do the same. T1 3, right? 3 goes here because 3 is less than 5 and is greater than 1, right? According to these keys. Therefore 3. I ain't got no key. Plus 3, the number of passengers. 3. 2 means, you know, that's 0 based in Java indices. 0 1 2, 0 1 2, 0 1 2, yeah, and so on. T2, we got 7 means 7 is greater than 5. 7, and we ain't got no key, like this, right? The end location, therefore return 0 minus 3. Minus 3. That's it. We out of that loop. Go here. Then, as you can see, all passengers are sorted based on the key of a particular location. You can see locations 1, 3, 5, and 7. Ascending order. Therefore, we got values. We're gonna loop through those passengers. Means values, you know, values 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3. Capacity is 5, right? Therefore, okay, capacity is 5. First, we are here. We got 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Capacity is 3. Then the next one, the next value, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next we got minus 2, 0, minus, minus, we get plus. Instead of minus, we get 2, and the last one, minus 3, the same. 2 minus minus 3, we got 5. We got 5. And we out of that loop return true. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Follow me on social medias. Follow me on Instagram. Add me on Snapchat. And have a good one. Bye.